Chapter 18. Forms of Water. In this chapter you will learn about forms of water, water pollution, harmful effects of water pollution, protection of water bodies from pollution. Factoid: when a river begins its journey from the mountains, it is clean and clear. As it travels down to the plains, it becomes dirty and appears grey. There are three forms of water: solid, liquid, and gas. We use water mainly in the liquid form for drinking, washing, cooking, watering plants, etc. Water on cooling freezes into its solid form and becomes ice. We make use of ice in the drinks. The last form of water is gas. It is not visible to us. When water is heated, it evaporates and changes into gas and is called water vapor. Let's learn more about this process. Evaporation. The process by which water changes into water vapor is called evaporation. For example, when we put out wet clothes in the sun, they dry up after some time. This is because the heat from the sun changes the water of the wet clothes into water vapor. Do you know, on a humid day, the process of evaporation is slow as there is lot of water vapor in the air. Condensation. The process by which water vapor changes back to water due to cooling is called condensation. Take a glass and fill it with cold water. Put some ice cubes in it. After a few minutes, you will see tiny droplets of water on the outer surface of the glass. When moist air comes in contact with the cool surface of the glass, it changes into water droplets that you see on the surface of the glass. It can also be seen in the early morning. When tiny drops are formed on the grass, it is because the earth loses its heat in the night. It becomes cold early in the morning. The water vapor present in air that lie just above the ground condense to form tiny drops called dew. Do you know, during summers, the process of evaporation is very fast. Due to extreme heat, water gets changed into vapor quickly. Water pollution. This is Faijalpura, a village in East UP. In this village, every second person suffers from diarrhea because they are compelled to drink dirty water. Mahua is the only flowing river of this area and the main source of supply of water to the village. This river becomes polluted by a porcelain industry as they are dumping the toxic waste in the river. This makes the river water dirty and polluted. Local authorities do not take this problem seriously and avoid the causes of water pollution. Do you know? Mixing of untreated or toxic substances into water bodies that deteriorate the quality of water is called water pollution. Harmful effects of water pollution. Water pollution causes several harmful effects. The polluted water is unfit for both humans as well as animals. Water pollution results into waterborne diseases. Polluted water is full of germs and other pollutants. Many diseases are caused by using or drinking polluted water. Such diseases are called waterborne diseases. Infertile soil. When polluted water is used to irrigate fields, the pollutants present in it make the soil infertile. This leads to a situation when crops fail to grow in the soil, thus making the land barren. Danger to aquatic life. The life of aquatic animals and plants also gets endangered due to water pollution. The animals consume this polluted water and fall sick. Some human beings also eat such contaminated animals and fall ill. Protection of water bodies from pollution. We should adopt the following steps to protect water bodies from getting polluted. Wastewater from factories should be treated before being thrown into the water bodies. Littering and excreting near water bodies should be avoided. Garbage from households, factories, etc. should not be thrown in the water bodies. Sewage pipes should be fitted far away from the water bodies because leakage in these pipes pollute the water. Limelight. Veerbhadra Mishra is the chief priest of a temple in Varanasi. Formerly, he was the head of Civil Engineering Department of Banaras Hindu University. He founded Sankat Moshan Foundation to make the river Ganga clean. Keywords. Humid, marked by a relatively high level of water vapor in the atmosphere. Aquatic, of or relating to water,